Tired of the same old Golden Gate selfies and crowded Alcatraz tours? It's time to dig deeper and discover San Francisco's quirky side, where waves literally sing, streets are designed for sliding, and history hides in plain sight. Buckle up for a wild ride through the city's secret spots. Just don't forget your cardboard for the slides. Trust me, this city is far weirder and cooler than you think. Number 10. The Wave Organ, where nature sings. Let's start with one of the quirkiest hidden gems in San Francisco, the Wave Organ. Built in 1986 by artists Peter Richards and George Gonzalez, this acoustic sculpture is located on a jetty in the Marina District. As the tides move in and out, the waves play music through a series of pipes embedded in the structure. Yes, you read that right. Music. This one-of-a-kind sound experience shifts with the rhythm of the ocean, offering a different melody every time you visit. While the whole thing might sound a bit odd, the serene location and unique auditory art make it a perfect spot for some quiet reflection. If you're feeling stressed, I guarantee that the sound of the ocean literally playing through the pipes will calm you down in minutes. Plus, how often do you get to say that you visited a place where the sea is the DJ? Number 9. Seward Street Slides. Unleash your inner child. In the heart of the Castro district, you'll find a hidden delight that will instantly transport you back to childhood. The Seward Street Slides. Built in the 1970s as part of a neighborhood initiative, these steep concrete slides are a thrill ride for all ages. Here's the fun part. To get the most speed, you need a piece of cardboard to sit on. Locals often leave some at the top of the slide. But if you're serious about your slide game, it's better to bring your own. What makes this spot so entertaining is its simplicity. No high-tech amusement park gadgets here. Just gravity, concrete, and cardboard. Trust me, you won't care if you're a full-grown adult. You'll be laughing like a kid by the time you reach the bottom. Plus, it's free fun. And in San Francisco, that's a hidden gem in itself. Number 8. Hawk Hill. Bird watching meets scenic views. Just a short drive across the Golden Gate Bridge is Hawk Hill, one of the Bay Area's best-kept secrets for nature lovers. Perched in the Marin Headlands, this spot is renowned for its incredible views of the Golden Gate Bridge and San Francisco skyline. But there's more. During fall, Hawk Hill becomes a bird-watching paradise as hundreds of hawks, eagles, and other raptors migrate through the area. If you're lucky, you might even spot some rare species. Bring your binoculars and don't forget your camera. The combination of stunning vistas and soaring birds is breathtaking. Whether you're a seasoned bird watcher or just someone who enjoys a good view, Hawk Hill offers the perfect blend of nature and spectacle. Number 7. Tiled steps to Grandview Park. Climb to art and beauty. Tucked away in the Sunset District, the tiled steps leading up to Grandview Park are a mosaic masterpiece that will leave you in awe. These 163 steps, decorated with colorful tiles, were part of a community-led art project that showcases the creativity and spirit of San Francisco. As you ascend, the artwork reveals images of flora, fauna, and ocean life once you reach the top of Grandview Park. You'll be treated to panoramic views of the city and the Pacific Ocean. The combination of art and natural beauty makes this spot Instagram-worthy, and the steps themselves are a perfect representation of San Francisco's unique charm. Number 6. Clarion Alley. The art of activism. San Francisco's street art scene is legendary, and no place embodies this better than Clarion Alley in the Mission District. This narrow alley is filled with murals that reflect the city's social and political activism. Since the 1990s, local artists have used the walls of Clarion Alley to create thought-provoking pieces that speak out on issues such as immigration, gentrification, and racial inequality. What makes this spot even more special is that the art is constantly evolving. Old murals are replaced by new ones, so every visit offers something fresh. If you're a fan of street art or just want to dive into the heart of San Francisco's creative and activist spirit, this is a must-see. Number 5. Battery Spencer. The best view of the Golden Gate Bridge. Battery Spencer, perched high in the Marin Headlands, is not only a photographer's dream, but also a place where you can soak in the grandeur of the Golden Gate Bridge from a peaceful vantage point. This former military installation offers one of the best panoramic views of both the bridge and the city skyline, stretching all the way to downtown San Francisco on clear days. On top of that, the surrounding rugged cliffs and the occasional fog rolling in create an atmospheric setting that makes the experience even more magical. The relatively secluded location ensures that you'll avoid the overwhelming tourist crowds found at other viewpoints, allowing for quiet reflection and some truly memorable photos. Number 4. Bernal Heights Park, a peaceful oasis with panoramic views. If you're looking for a quieter, more serene escape from the city, Bernal Heights Park is the place to go. This hidden gem offers one of the best 360-degree views of San Francisco, without the crowds of other popular viewpoints like Twin Peaks. The park's summit is easily accessible via a short trail, and once you're at the top, you'll have sweeping views of the Golden Gate Bridge, downtown San Francisco, and the Bay. The park's peaceful atmosphere makes it perfect for a picnic, a walk, or simply taking in the beauty of the city. You'll often have the place to yourself, making it a true hidden treasure. Number 3. Sutro Baths Ruins, where history meets the Pacific. The Sutro Baths Ruins are a striking reminder of San Francisco's bygone days, originally built by Adolph Sutro in 1896 as a massive public bathhouse that could accommodate thousands of people at once. It featured 6 saltwater pools, diving boards, slides, and even a museum, making it a leisure hotspot for the city's residents. Sadly, the baths fell into decline after the 1960s and were eventually destroyed by a fire in 1966. Today, what remains are haunting ruins that stand against the dramatic backdrop of the Pacific Ocean, surrounded by the rugged cliffs of Lands End. As you explore the area, the echoes of the past seem to whisper through the crashing waves, creating a truly unique atmosphere that feels both eerie and tranquil. The juxtaposition of nature reclaiming this once grand structure and the breathtaking coastal views makes it a photographer's dream. You can also follow the surrounding hiking trails for even more panoramic vistas of the Golden Gate Bridge and the coastline, offering a blend of history, nature, and solitude. Number 2. Fort Point National Historic Site, where history and architecture collide. For a mix of history and architectural beauty, visit the Fort Point National Historic Site, located directly beneath the Golden Gate Bridge. Built in the mid-19th century to protect the San Francisco Bay from potential naval attacks, the fort is now a fascinating historical site where visitors can explore its cannons, tunnels, and barracks. One of the highlights is the stunning view of the Golden Gate Bridge from below. It's a perspective most tourists don't get to see. The fort also offers guided tours and exhibits on the military history of the region, making it a great stop for history enthusiasts. Number 1. Vesuvio Cafe, a bohemian hangout. Finally, we end our journey at the iconic Vesuvio Cafe in North Beach. Opened in 1948, this bohemian bar was once the hangout of Beat generation legends like Jack Kerouac and Allen Ginsberg. Today, Vesuvio retains its vintage charm, with colorful murals, cozy corners, and a literary vibe that transports you back in time. Whether you're a fan of the Beats or just looking for a cool place to grab a drink, Vesuvio Cafe offers a unique slice of San Francisco's artistic past. Sip a cocktail, soak in the history, and enjoy the bohemian atmosphere that makes Vesuvio a must-visit hidden gem. And there you have it, San Francisco's best-kept secrets. So which hidden gem would you explore first? The slides, the spooky Sutro Baths, or maybe the singing wave organ? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to slide into that like button and subscribe for more off the beaten path discoveries. See you in the next adventure.